You don't need to hustle for new clients every week to make money online. You just need one smart offer that pays you every month, like clockwork. And that's exactly what we're doing today. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your Make.com automations into a recurring service and how just one $97 a month client can change the way you think about digital income forever. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks, the place where smart creators learn how to automate income streams using real tools and real strategies. If you're into Make.com, ChatGPT, or building a business that runs even while you're sleeping, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. All right, let's jump in. Most freelancers think of automations as a one-time gig. You talk to a client, figure out what they need, build the workflow, get paid once, and move on. But here's the thing. Every workflow, every automation you create needs updates, improvements, monitoring, and sometimes just plain old troubleshooting. And that's exactly where the monthly magic happens. Let's say you set up a lead capture system using Typeform plus Make.com plus Google Sheets plus Gmail. Your client loves it. It saves them hours. But a few weeks later, they want to add a new question to the form. Or the email delivery suddenly stops because their Gmail quota got maxed. Or they just need peace of mind that someone's watching the system. That's when you offer a simple maintenance and support package. $97 a month and I'll take care of everything behind the scenes. This is exactly how agencies scale. Not by working more, but by building predictable, repeatable income. Now let me give you 3 real-world automation examples that are perfect for this model. First, content repurposing for coaches and course creators. Let's say you work with a business coach who posts weekly YouTube videos. They're great on camera, but they never have time to promote their content on other platforms. Every week, their video goes live, and then it dies there. No repurposing, no visibility. So here's what you offer. A Make.com automation that grabs the video's title and description the moment it's published. It sends that info to ChatGPT, which rewrites the content into a LinkedIn post, a tweet thread, and a short newsletter blurb. Make.com then automatically schedules those posts using Buffer or Publer, adds relevant hashtags, and stores everything in a Notion database for easy tracking. That alone saves them hours every week. But here's where the real value and your monthly offer comes in. A week later, the client says, "Hey, can we make the LinkedIn post sound a bit more casual next time?" Or, "I want to start posting on Threads too. Can we add that?" That's not a rebuild. That's maintenance, optimization, and strategic guidance. And it's the perfect reason to offer a monthly retainer. So instead of charging $500 once and disappearing, you position it like this. I'll handle all your content repurposing every week, automatically. Plus, I'll tweak tone, add platforms, optimize for engagement, and send you a monthly report on what's working. $147 per month and your content keeps working for you, even when you're offline. Simple, valuable, and stress-free for them. And because you're using AI plus automation, it doesn't take you 10 hours a week to manage. It's a set-it-and-check-it system. You can offer weekly check-ins, test new hooks, or even rotate posting formats, all without burning out. And if they want to scale later, maybe turn those blog posts into carousels or reels. That's a premium upsell. So here's the breakdown. Initial automation setup. YouTube, ChatGPT, Socials, Notion. Here's one-time project fee. Weekly monitoring, testing new tones, adding new platforms equals $97 to $297 per month. Optional upgrades, visual content, lead magnet automation, or podcast snippets. They stay visible, you stay relevant, and your income becomes predictable. This works especially well with coaches, creators, and course sellers, because content is their business, but consistency is their weakness. You solve that, and they'll happily pay monthly to keep that machine running. Second, CRM follow-up sequences for local businesses. Now picture this. You're working with a local tattoo studio. They've got a slick website, a loyal following on Instagram, but behind the scenes, total chaos. Missed appointments, no shows, forgotten follow-ups. It's costing them time and money. So you step in and build a simple but powerful CRM automation with Make.com. Here's how it works. Someone fills out a booking form on their website, maybe via type form or jot form. That triggers a welcome email confirming the appointment, logs the client info into a Google Sheet, and schedules an SMS reminder 2 days before the session. Instant upgrade to their customer experience. Clients feel seen, the owner breathes a little easier. But wait, 2 weeks later, your phone rings. Hey, can we make the reminder text more fun, like with emojis or something? Actually, some clients don't show up. Can we send a second text the morning of the appointment? Oh, and is there a way to mark who showed up and who didn't, so I can follow up later? Boom. That's where the magic happens. Not only have you solved a real pain point, you've now opened the door to ongoing support and upgrades. And you don't charge per tweak. You offer a monthly plan. For $97 per month, I'll keep your CRM automations updated, personalized, and optimized. That includes support, small edits, performance checks, and adding features as your business grows. Tattoo studios love this. Hair salons, dental clinics, yoga studios, any service-based local business that lives off appointments needs this. And guess what? Most of them don't want to learn automation. They want it done and handled. They want someone on call when something breaks, or when they have a new idea at 11 p.m. This model makes you the go-to tech partner, not just a one-time freelancer. Here's what the monthly value can include. Updating form fields when their service menu changes. Adding integrations like Calendly, MailChimp, or WhatsApp. Personalizing email or SMS copy to match seasonal promos. Creating simple dashboards in Notion or Google Data Studio to track appointments and revenue. All of that, done in Make, takes you minutes, but feels like magic for the business owner. And here's the real kicker. Most local businesses have no automation at all. They're still texting clients manually and updating spreadsheets by hand. So when you bring them something like this, and offer to keep it humming for a flat monthly fee, you're not just selling a tool, you're selling peace of mind. That's $97 a month well spent from their perspective. And for you, it's scalable, repeatable income from a system you've already built. Third, digital product delivery for solopreneurs. You help a small creator automate delivery of a mini course via Gumroad. After purchase, the system sends a welcome email, tags them in ConvertKit, and drops their access link via Notion. Now they want to A/B test subject lines, or add a bonus PDF, or track open rates. Every tweak is part of your ongoing monthly support. Now you might be thinking, but what if they say no? What if they want to pay once and be done? That's fine. You still offer the initial build, but you position the monthly package as peace of mind. Use phrases like, I'll keep everything running so you don't have to stress when something breaks. Or, you'll always have someone to call if the system stops working. And here's a tip. Don't wait until the end of the project to pitch the monthly service. Mention it up front. You can say, I offer a full setup package for X dollars, and then a monthly option for $97 to handle maintenance, updates, and support. Most clients choose that because automations need love too. That line works. I've seen it. Because no one wants to be left hanging with broken tools and no help. Now let's talk retention. How do you make sure your clients actually stay month after month? 3 things. 1. Be proactive. Check in monthly with a short Loom video. Hey, I noticed your form had a dip in submissions. Want me to take a look? This takes 5 minutes, but makes you look like a rock star. 2. Offer mini upgrades. Each month, suggest one improvement. Want me to add Slack notifications for your new leads? Should we integrate Trello to manage your pipeline? Always be offering value. 3. Remind them what's working. Send a monthly report, even if it's just a screenshot and a short message. Automation saved you 14 hours this month. That's 3.5 workdays back in your life. Clients don't cancel when they feel supported, and see the value clearly. So here's your simple path to recurring income with Make.com. 1. Build a solution once. 2. Offer monthly support for $97 plus. 3. Keep communication open and value clear. 4th. Stack 5 to 10 clients like this. That's $500 to $1,000 a month every month, just to be available and useful. You don't need 100 clients. You don't need a fancy sales funnel. You don't even need to show your face. You just need a system that works and someone willing to pay for peace of mind. And trust me, they're everywhere. So, if you're serious about building income that doesn't depend on selling every day, start turning your one-time builds into long-term value. And hey, if you want a complete guide that shows how to set this up step by step, I'm dropping a download in the pinned comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Digital Profit Hacks, hit the bell icon, and leave a comment with the niche you want to serve. I'll reply with automation ideas for your niche. Thanks so much for watching until the end. Now go make something awesome, and let's turn your skills into freedom. Let's make a profit.